Hello, I'm Ollie Smith, and we're going to give you a demonstration on how to set up your back office as a manager. Here you are with the calendar already set up with your chuckers, and here's a chucker which you've already run and published by the look of it. But before you get that far, you'll need to set up some details for yourself in your back office as a manager. In this email address box here, when you open it, will be the email address which we sent you your password to the don't reply at PoloPlay. It's very important in this box, if you change this email, that will be the email address. It would also be your username. So your username and email address for which you retrieve your emails is the same. It's very important to remember this. So if you do change this box here, remember that will change the capture box if we have to send you a new password or if you order one. Okay. You can put in any details here about your club address and what have you. Each of these are individually editable with these buttons here. You're on to name your fields in your arena. It'll make the functioning a lot better for your users to know exactly which field they're on rather than have them as numbers. But the really important thing is down here on this bottom left hand corner. Firstly, when you open up this page, you'll see a jumble of figures there. This will be a URL, and it's a unique sign-up URL to direct your members to sign up only in your own club. It won't look like this. It will be a jumble of letters and numbers, but you can click on it and then edit it to be something more meaningful. And that will always be there, so if you have a new member come along, or you want to make a temporary member or a guest, you can send them this and they can create their own accounts. That's very important to remember that. Here are the editing colours. Now on our editing screen, it defaults to blue and red for a very good contrast. That may not suit your own eyesight, so you can edit any of these colours here by clicking on them and changing the colour. So if your club plays in a different colour, jerseys like these two, you can edit those to match. So when you publish, they'll see jersey colours that they'll recognise as well. However, and this is one of the things I want to bring just very clearly to your attention is, however, if one of your jersey colours is white, which it very likely is for some of your clubs, then you'll need to change the background of the PDF on which you publish. Okay, and you can do that here, darkly, medium or light. So always bear that in mind. This colour here is to help you with gluing and splitting players. We've called this an accent colour. On glue, any player that you've glued or split, when you get them onto your editing screen, they'll have half of their colour tile as this colour, one half for split and the other half for glued. And also you might choose your umpire accent, your umpire colours as well. We've done it in black, so you can have black and white umpires. There's not much more to this. None of this information is particularly important. It won't affect the way the site operates, but you might want to link to your various social media sites here. Let me just cancel that one there. You can add your club logo here, file it and save it there if you want. So again, that will appear on your published chucker list. So just remember again, make sure this email address that you use here is a real email address that exists and you have access to, and that is where any password resends will go to, and that this email address that you use here that's going to be always referred to as that will always be your username through which you book at booking.poloplay.co.uk. Okay, thank you very much.